Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Kingshot mod menu for free. This method works on both iOS and Android devices, and it unlocks all the best hacks in the game, including unlimited gems, God mode, auto-aim, free shopping, and so much more. As you can see on screen, once you activate the Kingshot Double Plus mod menu, you'll have access to every premium feature without restrictions. Whether you're playing on iPhone or Android, this hack gives you unlimited gems and powerful cheats that make gameplay way more fun. Before you start, make sure your Kingshot game is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to go. The next step is simple. Scroll down to the pinned comment below. I've left the exact instructions and the download link for Kingshot Double Plus Plus. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu installed in minutes. That's it for today's guide on how to get the free Kingshot mod menu on iOS and Android. Enjoy unlimited gems, God mode, auto-aim, and all the cheats you need to dominate the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.